Hi, my name's Chris and I'd like to welcome you to our showroom here in South Manchester. For those of you that don't know, Dream Doors is the UK's #1 kitchen makeover specialist with over 20 years experience and almost 100 showrooms across the UK. Here at South Manchester we cover areas from Sale, Didsbury and Chorlton up through the city centre, even as far as Moston, Failsworth and Droylsden. We offer a range of solutions from a simple door swap or worktop change all the way through to a full kitchen refit including appliances, sinks and taps and even glass splashbacks. A lot of our customers prefer the idea of having a kitchen makeover rather than a full refit for two key reasons. Number one, it can be up to 50% cheaper than having a full kitchen refit, and number two, it takes a lot less time and creates a lot less waste rather than ripping out all your cabinets and replacing them with new. We have hundreds of different door style and colour options to choose from and a variety of worktop materials such as laminate, quartz, solid wood and even Minerva or Wharf if you want to create a sleek, seamless look in your kitchen. We offer a wide range of sinks and taps from the world's leading manufacturers like Blanco and Franke, and a large variety of appliances as well from the likes of Neff, Bosch, Samsung, Whirlpool and Hotpoint. It's not just kitchens that we do here at Dream Doors, we also do wardrobe doors in both sliding and hinged options. You can find our showroom at 193 Marsland Road in Sale. It's just off Washway Road, which is the main road between Altrincham and the city centre. You can follow us on Facebook or Instagram and take a look at some of our projects. You can pop in any time, Monday to Saturday, 9 to 5, to come and have a chat with one of our kitchen designers. Or if you prefer, we can arrange a home visit where you can talk through which elements of your kitchen you'd like to update. Hopefully we'll see you soon.